Okay, here we have our power rules for 1, 2, and 3. Number 1, we're going to use the product rule, which says we're going to add exponents when we are multiplying variables that are the same. So first we're going to do 2 times 3 and get 6. And then we're going to combine y to the 5th and y to the negative 4, which gives me y to the positive 1. So 6y is your answer. Number 2, we have a division problem, and we're going to use the quotient rule, which says subtract your exponents when you're combining like variables. First of all, we have 6 over 12, which is 1 over 2. Now we are going to get the result of our r factor. So I always start with my r in the numerator, and now I have 2 minus negative 4, which gives me a positive 6. So you may see it written simply as r to the 6th over 2. Number 3, we have a power to a power. Remember, every factor has an exponent, so if it's not written in, I like to write in the understood one. And now we're going to multiply the outside power of 4 to every power within the parentheses. So I have 2 to the 4th, b to the 4th, and c to the negative 12. There are 2 things that we need to simplify. We need to evaluate 2 to the 4th, and we need to take care of our negative exponent. So 2 to the 4th, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, gives us 16, b to the 4th, and then we're going to put c to the negative 12th in the denominator to make it a positive exponent. Number 4, we have a binomial squared. So you must write your binomial out twice and then double distribute. We have x times x gives us x squared. X times minus 4 is negative 4x. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. And negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. Now simplify the middle terms and you get x squared minus 8x plus 16. We have a quadratic trinomial. Number 5, we're going to double distribute. We're going to distribute negative 2x first, and we get negative 6x squared plus 2x. Now distribute your positive 4. 12x minus 4. Again, we're going to combine our middle terms, our linear terms. We get negative 6x squared plus 14x minus 4. Again, we have a quadratic trinomial. 6, we have a trinomial divided by a monomial, so we're going to end up with a trinomial. You can look at this as 12x squared, or I should say, see if we can get, this should be a 7, divided by 2x squared minus 10x to the 5th divided by 2x squared plus 2x squared divided by 2x squared. So when I simplify the first term, I'm going to get 6x to the 5th. My next term is going to be minus 5x to the 3rd. And the last term is plus 1. We have a trinomial with a degree of 5. Number 7, I am going to multiply the first polynomial by the understood one and get 3x squared plus 5x minus 9. Then I'm going to distribute the understood negative 1 to the second trinomial, and I'm going to get negative x squared plus x minus 2. Now I don't have parentheses, so I can combine like terms. Let's combine our quadratic terms to get 2x squared, and then our linear terms to give us plus 6x, and then our constants gives us minus 11. I have another quadratic trinomial.